Hi, this is Pranav with another interesting program, httpflooder. This program is interesting because it will make any server down within 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Okay, so first we need to learn what is httpflooder. httpflooder is one type of DDoS attack. If you are not aware about DDoS attack, this is the continuously sending a request to a particular port or particular IP address. And why it is called httpflooder? Because we are not dealing with this transport layer or IP layer. We are directly dealing with this application layer, and HTTP we are dealing with HTTP protocol. So in this HTTP flooding, we will send continuous HTTP GET or POST request to a server. And one very important point is POST is more powerful than GET because POST is ended within database, so it is having more bad impact than GET. Okay, so we'll understand in diagram. So you can see like multiple bots are here. You can call it as httpflooder, and this is the actual HTTP server. So it will all are continuously sending HTTP requests in the short span of time, making this server down for some time. Okay, so we'll directly jump to the Eclipse and we'll see practically how it is performed. Okay, so I have multiple applications here. I will start from Instant Manager, one small dummy application that's not related to httpflooder. It will just run a dummy server. So let me run this application. Okay, you can see like this application already started. Okay, now let's check. So it will display the exact time. Okay, so now the server is in running condition. Now I prepared this httpflooder, and you can see I already hardcoded this host name. Okay. Localhost 8080, welcome, and few other constants that I will explain when I will go through this program. Okay, so now run this httpflooder application. Okay, as you can see, now this connection is get refused. I mean, this connection is already lost. So now let's stop this application. So I stop this application. Now I can check. Okay, now it's come to running state. So I already demonstrated like the application while running this httpflooder application, it makes a running server down in just 10 seconds. So now let's go and understand this application in more detail. So what is the prerequisite to understand this program? One is multi-threading. You should know basic knowledge of multi-threading, and another is HTTP. HTTP, some basic understanding of how to send REST request. Okay, so first what I did, I took three constants here. This is the host, this is the server to whom we are making down, the targeted server, and it is the time, the duration time when this attack will be survive. So I put a pick time, and this is the thread, number of thread. It is around 1 lakh. So 1 lakh thread will be generated in this duration of time. So now we'll go to this program. So I hope you have basic understanding of multi-threading. So in order to run and thread, we must implement the runnable interface. So my class name is httpflooder, and it implements runnable interface. And in runnable interface there is one abstract method run. So we overwritten this run method. So in this run method I put like for particular duration of time, this time is only this duration of time. It will keep trying. It will keep trying HTTP connection. So simply I made one connection. I put just header like key value bit, and it is get request, and connection timeout I put 5000, and one header like user agent Firefox I put there, and this request will be continuously running at a difference of 50 milliseconds for a single thread. Like this run method will execute for a single thread. If I am having 1 lakh thread, so 1 lakh times it will execute, and a single thread will execute for a particular duration time. So you understand, like one thread will also keep trying, and similarly 1 lakh thread also keep trying. So that is the load we putting on HTTP server, and this is the simple main function. I put this list of thread, and I put this thread count of 1 lakh, and it will keep just adding in this list, and it started for this 1 lakh time. So every time 1 lakh thread will be start, and each thread will try connecting HTTP server for a particular duration. So I hope you understood this program, and this program is only 45 lines of code, and it making an server down. So in real life scenario, if I'll talk about normal HTTP is not preferred, HTTP is preferred, and there is no port is there, only domain name is there. So in order to convert port to IP address, domain name to IP address colon port, you need to go for get host by name, and the server must not have any firewall associated with it. If it having firewall associated, then this URL you have to modify a bit. Some dynamic algo you need to add to dynamically change this method. If you will go for a single fix, it will be blocked by firewall itself. Again, intelligent firewall also there, and you need to put some intelligent logic so that you can bypass this firewall logic. Okay, and very important thing that I need to mention in this completed item. Okay. HTTP flooding attack is illegal and must not be tried without prior permission from the owner. It is only advisable to test for only this quality purpose, and with authorized person is only allowed to test. That is the important point. Otherwise it is illegal, and it is treated as cyber criminal offense. So hope you like this program and you understood basic knowledge of HTTP flooding. So in future, if you want, I will keep some such type of cool program. Please subscribe to my channel and like this program. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.